Hola banana, banana. Hola banana. Hola bananas. Banana. Hola banana. Hola banana. Hola banana. Hola banana. Hola bananas. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this Hola bananas! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! And this is vlog number 2. So for today's vlog, I'm gonna go grocery shopping, but this is not my usual grocery shopping kung saan bumibili ako ng everyday food ko or essentials dito sa house. Instead, mag-grocery shopping ako today for my ingredients sa carrot cupcake ko. Because bala ko kasing mag-bake today and ipamigay yon sa mga kapitbahay ko here sa building. And to promote and advertise na rin yung small business namin ni Svet here in Germany, which is silk pillowcases. And hopefully, sana talaga may mga bumili. And thank you kay Ivy, siya yung first customer namin. And also, thank you dun sa mga nag-inquire sa Manila. Pero, unfortunately, hindi pa kami available sa Manila. Maybe next time. And, tara na! Let's go! Ayan, papunta na ako sa supermarket, of course. Yun yung target natin today. And I think it's 10 to 12 minute walk papunta doon. So, ito yung surroundings ko. And, see ya! First stop or first grocery, which is Netto. So, for the first one, meron tayo dito na list and sweetened apple sauce. Ground ginger, ground cardamom, powdered sugar. Let's go. We're looking for the powdered sugar, but I guess wala silang powdered sugar right now. Powdered sugar, powdered sugar. No powdered sugar. So, next. Ay! Next na lang is yung ground ginger cardamom. Let's go. Ginger. Yeah. Ginger. And then, cardamom. Cardamom. X. Walang powdered sugar. So, next is yung canola oil. Yung walnuts nandun sa dulo. So, canola oil. Deep. Pwede na to. And then, milk. Chopped walnuts or pecans. There you go. Walnuts. So, wala nang iba. So, ito na lang. Done! Yay! Bibili naman tayo. Next on our list is yung cupcake trays and yung lalagyan ng cupcakes. Let's go to Woolworth. Ikat lang, nakita ko na yung mga baking stuff. So let's see for the cupcake and kung ano pa yung pwede kong mabili. Let's go! So, pauwi na tayo. Tapos na tayo mag-shop ng baking stuff ko. And hindi na ako nakadaan ng Reve, yung another grocery or supermarket. Kasi, may melt na yung dalawang butter na binili natin. And of course, sobrang bigat. Sobrang bigat na. I'm a strong, independent woman. Pero I need someone to carry my bag. Kasi ang bigat talaga. And ngayon nga, sobrang init din. Kaya kailangan ko na din mag-hydrate. For now, and makapag-start na mag-eat. See you!
A few moments later. A little longer than a few minutes later.
Hola, banana! So finally, we're home. And now, nandito naka-prepare na yung table ko. And check natin yung kung ano-ano yung mga napabili natin during our quick grocery shopping. So for now, let's start with the Netto. So nakabili ako worth 15.79 euro. Yeah. So now, let's see kung ano yung mga bili kong baking stuff from Woolworth. So sa Woolworth, naka 18 euro 0.04 tayo. So let's see. We have this, I also bought this one, since wala akong ganito. 250 euro. So very cute. And then this one, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my second vlog. And if in case you want some content kung ano yung gusto nyo makita dito sa Germany, kung ano gusto nyo malaman, or anything, please comment down below. Try natin i-content yan for my next vlog. And thank you for subscribing and for watching my video. And see you on my next vlog. Bye!